Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a user to your QuickBooks Online account. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are looking to add maybe an admin or a user to the QuickBooks Online account. How do you actually go ahead and add someone to your QuickBooks Online account? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click on the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner. Next, you're going to click on Manage Users. And then from here, you're going to see a list of users that have already been added to your account, including yourself. You're going to click on Add User. So all you've got to do here is you just have to input their first name, last name, email, and then select their assigned role. And as you can see, these are all the different roles that you can actually go ahead and add to your QuickBooks Online account. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a user to your QuickBooks Online account. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.